This is my car compared to his. He'd never had a car.
Var den bromsad? Var den bromsad? Den bromsad.
Det er ikke noget, jeg har lagt mærke til i hvert
Jeg har
fald.
kun fuld af det.
Jeg har ikke lagt mærke til noget. Jeg har ikke tjekket. Det var helt andet.
Okay. Look at the sparklers in the plate. Oh, I think that's overspray. Yeah, that's overspray.
Jo.
Yeah, that's overspray.
Jeg har også tænkt, at det var for dumt, og også min. Eller bare underskrift, at den er overfor.
Okay, ja.
The sparklers in the paint. Yeah, that's overspray. What's inside? The back seat. There's just a few wheels in there. There's wheels in there. Look, I'm confused. Is it this one or? Да, може. What? It is a nice car, though. This car smells brand new. It smells new. The license plate. Look at the sparkles in the paint. Yeah, that's overspray. That's overspray. Dude, this is literally a car. Look at that. This car is from France. This car is from France. It's a Peugeot, just like mine. As you can see, that's my car, and this one's. We're in Denmark, because I live in Denmark.
Pa ja sam gotov za 5 minuta, pa ću. Da.
Okay, let's start it. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Like it? Yep, like it. Yeah. Yeah, I want to taste it. Yeah, I want to taste it. Taste it. It has overspray. Like in others, look at these burgers in the paint. It also has overspray. And this is the inside of the car. Our car. And that's the car that's gonna be Rasids, because he actually lost his Porsche. Because if you haven't seen the video that we got bankrupt, we got a cheaper car. So that's where we're looking for this other car. But yeah. Look how much room is there in ours. And every time I open the door, I have to like run away into the door. Like, what is this? Look at the sparkles in the paint. No, that's I mean, this video budget was supposed to be only like $50,000, but this car was like somewhere under that. So this video budget was only supposed to be $40,000, and the upcoming motorcycle video would have cost $20,000 to film. And the video budget on that one was $40,000. Idiot. But now he's just looking for something that he really would like, and this is our car. I don't know why we use this car seat. We just make sure it doesn't like break. I normally go like over there and like that. But yeah, so look at this. There it is. Oh yeah, that's the. Let's change arms. Change camera arms. Look at this. When it's full it all, it looks like a mouse. Seriously. This looks like a computer mouse. It's just a wireless mouse with a chain on it. Do you like it? Do you like it? Okay, we just go and tell you like do you like it? Also, hold this. Anyways, guys, so I don't really know what to do, but this is our car. And look at this. Whoa. This is hollow. Look at that. Let me see. See it? Oh, that's hollow. That's hollow. That's hollow. Should we go for a test drive? Yep. Oh, no. Never happened last time. Yeah, we're not trying that again. As you can see, we have this door. When you open it, look what happens. Oh, it doesn't. That's the back seat of the car. That's how it pretty much looks like. Wow. And those 2 seats are just for my brother, Witchup. So if you're wondering why Witchup's not here, because we don't want him to miss school. I mean, like, Witchup's 5 years old, 6 years old, and then those 2 are his car seats. Sometimes you can keep them in one room, sometimes he's in the back seat, and sometimes like that. So the reason why he doesn't see is because he's now in school, and he goes to school very early. He goes to school in 7:10, and I go to school at 7:15. That's when I go to school. And he's in 1st grade, and I'm in the 3rd grade. So yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this one right here. This is the one that we had to replace. We replaced. What? We had to replace these. Whoa. They're actually attached very good on there. You can see this one has everything. And it looks not the same. I mean, the wheels aren't the same. And the look. This is not how usually one looks like. Since on me, this is how one looks like. But look at this. It's not how it looks like. This can't be like. They don't make these other ones. We got this one custom made. And to be honest, this thing has been. We bought this for $5,000. It was $5,000 from Facebook Marketplace. Oh, it's hot. It's burning like here. Hope it doesn't catch on fire. Yabby? Look, just tell me if you like it or not, and we can just go. Look at this, it's just really good. Look at the sparkles in the paint. And it's painted in there. Like, look at this thing. This has been used. This is a used car. This is a used car. This is literally a used car for $5,000. This is a used car. Let me show you how it's like in the interior. Let me show you the interior. That's the interior of the car. And then you open this door, open like that. And this is how ours look like. It has this massive steering wheel. Look at the stitches. like the stitches, and then look how it opens. Like that. And then that shadow drive turns off when I close it. But you see, it's fine. Well, I mean, it's fine. Well, it's a fine car. It's not bad. But it doesn't look nothing like our car. It doesn't have those. Maybe they just upgraded it. Maybe it was the same. Maybe they just upgraded it. We don't have that one. And this is an electric one, fully electric. Right here. You see, they don't have one. See, it doesn't have one. It's an electric car. It's electric. That's why there's no sound when it's going. It's electric. It's electric. That's why there's no sound. What if this could open up? I wonder what it is. Is it just for decoration? Hold up, it can't be. Yeah, there's something. That has to be for something. It's electric. That's why there's no sound when we drive it, and you can see it doesn't have one. It's electric. I want to see how I sit on it. You want to do some parkour? What about try climbing onto it? No, it's not bad. No, it's not bad. It's actually not bad. Look at this shit. Look at that. Look at that. And look at this. Ha, look at that. Secret room. Okay. Alright, so me and my mom. Alright, I'm just gonna stop recording. If you want to help us get a car back, a bigger car, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next one. Whoop!